Oh, he lost his pickle. That's the tragedy. Hey guys, Dave here with Factory 5. We made it to the Bass Pro Shops, hanging out with Nick and the rest of the gang at the Factory 5 kind of corral. I got to drive my Corvette today. We were kind of having a few car issues in the showroom, but you got to drive the 35 truck, right? That thing's pretty sweet.
I did. I absolutely did. It was a blast. That thing actually handles like a modern day sports car. I know he said he took his C4. I've been in plenty of those. It handles as good, if not better. And with a live axle especially, being a 3-link truck, I was thoroughly impressed. We had AC. Nice tall 5-speed stick in it. I believe it's a TKX, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you had a better ride than me.
Driving car. Yeah, I stayed cool.
Yeah, right? So guys, come check it out. If you're here, we got a lot of cars to show off and a lot of our customers. So enjoy the rest of the show and we'll get back to you at the end.